Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roseanna. So in today's video, I wanted to unbox some makeup products with you. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You can ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday. So yep, like, make comments, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support. And thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokies, I'm piled up here. Let's just start with this one right over here. Let me see if I can move stuff over just a little bit. So this one over here, I grabbed some products from Amazon. If you watched my video a couple of weeks ago or last week, I don't know when these videos are going to go up. I did do a video on eyeshadow products that I picked up, and I used the Half Magic glitter puck thingamajiggy. And in that video, I thought, I think I need like a glitter glue for that glitter. So I did pick up the NYX glitter glue. I also picked up the CoverGirl eyeliner because I'm thinking I wanted to do a full face of new products. Well, some are new to the market and some are absolutely new to me. So I grabbed that, and then I also grabbed the CoverGirl Clean Invisible Foundation. I think this is a repackaging, I don't know if it's a reformulation, but it is new to me. So I grabbed that from Amazon. I'm going to put these right back. And where is my little doohickey here? Let me just put this up here. By the time this video goes up, the Sephora sale will be gone. But these are just products that I did pick up from the Sephora sale, and I picked up from Amazon, and I was gifted by one of you fabulous subscribers. You know who you are. You're a gem. And I always say you're crazy, but you know how much I love and appreciate you. But I'm going to just go over some of the stuff that I picked up in the Sephora sale. Some of it's not even mine. But I wanted to share what the family got. So this is the L'Occitane. This is their body oil. That it's a refill that I picked up. Well, I meaning we, meaning my daughter and I. And then I picked up these the Summer Fridays. These are the minis. You know how much I love the Summer Fridays lip balm. I talk about it all the freaking time. This is the Summer Fridays, the Mini Neutrals Lip Butter Balm set. So nice. So we got that. And then, girl, you know I'm not a powdery girl, but I wanted to try it. This is the Kosas Cloud Set Baked Setting and Smoothing Powder. I just grabbed the mini because I wanted to try it, and I picked it up in Breezy Sheer Light Transparent Clear. No friggin' clue, but we're gonna try it. Oh, I didn't pick this one up at Sephora. I went to Target the other day and I grabbed this. Everybody's favorite, everybody's drugstore favorite. Girl, what are you doing? You don't even like powder. What are you doing, girl? But anyway, I did pick up the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Mattifying Powder, so I definitely am going to try that. And you know how much I love the Makeup Forever lip liners. They are my absolute favorite. Look at these minis, how freaking cute they are. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencils Magic Minis. I think they have what in here? 5 of them. They are so good. I love them so much. I think the minis are great if you just wanted to try them out. Also for traveling, if you have a little bag, if when you go to travel, or even when you go out and you just have a crossbody or something little, wouldn't that be so freaking cute to put that in there? So great. So I got that. I'm also gonna post somewhere up here because a lot of the Sephora stuff didn't come in yet. But I'm going to see what I have so far. I can't wait for Sephora Forever, and I really wanted to put this video up. Got this little lover. Let me look at these cutie patootie little box cutters. Aren't they so cute? It's like a cloud. I already know what this one is. I'm so excited. Okay, the box is busted. But you know what it is, right? I'm so excited. This is the lover right over here. I know, tons of controversy, but listen, I don't want to seem bitchy. I don't want to seem bitchy, but I'm going to just tell you how I feel. Girl, if you can afford to buy a product, buy it. And if you can't, then don't. I don't know what the controversy is. Yeah, they're expensive. They're $42. But I will tell you this. I don't know what happened. I was watching Morgan. Was it Morgan? I don't remember, but I was watching a video and she had a discount code. I think a 15% discount code. I said, let me just go on his website and get it, and I'll take the 15%. They were $39. I don't know if it was a glitch on his website, but they were $39, and I got whatever 10%, 15%, you know, it's girl math, but I paid $33 each for these two, so I'm happy about that. So let's see. Yes, ma'am. So here they are right over here. These are the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions Eye Illusion Eyeshadow Duos. Now, you know, girl, he can't do no wrong in my eyes. You know that. But you know what? I'm not even going to open them because you know we're going to do a separate video. So I got, let's see here. I got Talk to My Team. And then I got She's Still in the Club. So no, it's a secret. It's a secret between me and you. I don't want to open them because, like I said, we're going to definitely do a video. Oh, look who is hiding behind the boxes. Hi, Bachelou. Are you mommy's boyfriend? I know you are. Let me move this box so we can have the full disclosure of my man. Okay, so this one right over here is from a dear friend. I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. Let me see. Where the hell am I going to open this? Again, thank you so much. It is completely unnecessary. Being in this circle of beauty and on YouTube channel, I have met such wonderful women. I am so appreciative of you guys. It's just like having tons and tons of like best friends. We get on here and talk. It's like, you know, I don't want to say like back in high school because some people had bad experiences back in high school, but you know, just like a girl tribe, you know, nothing like good girlfriends. There's just nothing like it. Nothing like it. Anywho, so let me just open up this little lever right over here. I already cut my finger and it's killing me, so I'm trying to be super duper careful, you know, with my finger up like this. Thank you so much. I've just been gifted the Huda Beauty Icy Nude Eyeshadow Palette. So beautiful. I'm not going to open it. I know. The suspense is killing me. But we're definitely going to do an eye look, maybe a couple eye looks with this. I'm like so excited. I am so sad though that Huda said this is going to be their last big palette. I hope it's like a publicity stunt. I don't know, but thank you so much. I'm so excited. And this I have no clue. Oh yes, I remember now. I love Timeless Skincare. I have been using their hyaluronic acid, their vitamin C, their coenzyme Q10 serum. That's my morning routine. I have a video about my morning routine. I will leave it up in the cards over here if you want to take a look at it. I think it has changed my skin so much. But and they're always having sales. Like every time I go on my feed, there's always like 20% off, 30% off, holidays. I would recommend you just waiting for the sales. I just ran out of my hyaluronic acid, and normally I pick up like the big one, and I just have a little one. So I got a little nervous. So, yup, wow, that is enormous. Is this like one of the biggest ones? Oh gosh, I just love it. So, yikes, I don't think I ever grabbed, wow, this is big. I don't think I ever grabbed one like this big. It comes with a pump, but I so enjoy Timeless products. So I grabbed two of these little lovers. Am I right? Yeah, I grabbed two of the Timeless hyaluronic acid. This is 100% pure hyaluronic acid. It's so good. It is so good. Okay, then my last box. Okay, I forgot. Just give me a second. I don't know why I have to explain. Like I have to explain myself to you. I just don't know why. I couldn't help it. Okay, hear me out. Hear the sister. Now, why are you sweating? We're friends here. Why are you? I know, Bachi, right? Why am I sweating? Listen, there was no friggin' way that I was gonna wait to get these doggone eyeshadow duos from Patrick Ta. The minute they came out, I happened to wake up in the middle of the night. It was 2 o'clock in the morning at 3 o'clock. I said, let me see if they're on his website. Sure was, and I grabbed two of them. So I grabbed Still in the Club, and We Need Better Lighting. Okay, great. I grabbed four of them. The only one that I didn't grab was that fuchsia, that really bright pink, because I would not wear that. But yeah, I did it. I got 4 out of 5 of them. Kill me. I'm sorry. I love him, and I know I saw these kind of shimmers like maybe last year or the year before that. Maybe it was just like a sneak peek, and if I didn't run so fast to go grab him, couldn't find them anywhere. Like I went through all like his Instagram posts, his TikTok posts, his website. I'm thinking, okay, I know I saw something. Maybe that was like a tease of these to come, I guess. But as soon as I saw them come up, I'm like, I have to have them. Do I have to have all 4 of them? Absolutely not. And again, like I said before, listen, If you can afford it, get it, and if you can't, don't. I mean, I don't understand what all the hype was about. It's his company. You don't have to buy it if you don't want to. Where's my phone? Let me just show you. I'm gonna move over because I want to keep the boyfriend in the video. I just want to share with you. I'll just put pictures up here of other things that I picked up from Sephora that are not here yet. So let's see here. Okay, so I did pick up the makeup. Listen about these friggin' Makeup Forevers, but I picked up the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil Extremes. They are the same colors, but the waterproof version. You know how much I adore Endless Cacao. I absolutely love that color. I haven't found a dupe at all. Someone said something about something cappuccino. No, ma'am. Anyway, so I picked up Endless Cacao, and then I picked up Anywhere Caffeine because I don't have that color. So I picked that up, and then I also picked up the Summer Fridays, their holiday lip balm butter set. So I picked that up. So that didn't come yet, and then I think that's about it. Let me just rummage. That's my daughter's stuff. Yep, I think that's it. So those are just the two that I haven't gotten here yet. Oh, and I grabbed the Patrick Star One Size spray, but just the mini. And let's see, Ole Hendricks Pout Preserve Hydrating Peptide Lip Treatment. And that's the only thing that hasn't come yet. But anyway, so that is it, guys. This is my unboxing that I wanted to share with you. I am so excited to try these products. I do have some video ideas coming down in the pike. So yeah, so that is it. This is my video. Thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And as always, you guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great day. Bye.